Coke was born to be different, and as cheesy as that might sound, it's true. And for us, that means producing everything to order, making paint when people order it. 50 million litres of household paint are wasted every year. We don't buy into mass production and tins sitting on store shelves getting dusty. By making to order, you get fresh paint, water-based paint without nasty toxins, and it can go straight on your wall, no smells. That's what gives Coke the naturally perfect finish that's also kinder to people and the environment. The care and attention that goes into every tin of Coke is something we're proud of. It's the reason we exist. Every single tin is finished by hand by a real person that's mixing it, crafting it, even has their name on it. That's how proud we are of each and every tin. And at the end of the day, who wouldn't want that? We think that making to order and making paint when people want it, that for us is the most sustainable thing that any company can do. Just don't make things that people don't want.